Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to my Excel Profits review. Now I'm inside the members area of Excel Profits, and during this video, I will give you the detailed demonstration of Excel Profit and then what is inside and what does it basically. If you don't know me, I am Mayur Nasikkar. I am from YouTube channel Techno Ganesha. I am a software professional and online marketer. Over 20 years of experience, and I specialized in developing online and web applications specifically for online marketers. During this video, with my past experience, I will give you three super powerful tips which will help you buying the products. So tip number one is product has to be what to make money online. You can check out reviews online on Google or YouTube. Tip number two is check out the bonuses. Are the bonuses aligned and correlation with the product? And tip number three I will give you during the video. So in a nutshell, uh, so Excel profits is basically your customer will learn how to make money simply uploading images to the secret websites. Max, one of the like case study, has been doing this method over a year and makes multiple thousands per month simply uploading. So let's take out the promoter's video.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Philip Johansson here, and Happy New Year. 2022 is the year where everything changes for you, right? I hope I can help you in this video, and you probably think, what is Philip doing with a fork? I'm gonna explain exactly what I'm doing with this fork because I want to show you exactly how Max is making $33 every time he uploads an image to this secret website. And this image can be a fork, it can be anything, it can be random pictures, okay? And every time he uploads this picture to this secret website, he makes money. I know what.
Isn't it great, guys? So I strongly recommend that you should pick this up. This is going to save you a bunch of money from other competitors, and we are going to go through the video of Excel profits. So if this is something that you are interested in, stick with me for more details. In this video, I'm going to cover. I'm giving you a full Excel profits demo, which is the software demo, like the members area. I have some awesome bonuses which will help you in the implementation phase. After learning this, so I have some super powerful bonuses that I will show you, and the sales page about the pricing and the upsell. So how to claim my bonuses? So you have to click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through my bonus page. So on my bonus page, so first thing in place, you have to click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through my bonus page. Okay, guys, let you know that this product is live, and to pick my bonuses, you have to click on these yellow buttons that will bring you through the sales page, which will look like this. So on the sales page, you can go ahead and pick this up. Okay, guys, just word of warning, my bonuses are live till, like, you have to click on these yellow buttons before this countdown timer hits zero, because when it does, all my bonuses will expire, and that is something I don't want you guys to miss out on. So let's check out the bonuses. Before going to the bonuses, here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Extremely beginners friendly. The more Max uploads, the more he makes. Once uploaded these images, pay him over and over again. Dead simple, no experience required, no further investments. Takes just minutes, and all this comes with the no question asked 30 days money back guarantee. So, guys, you have nothing to lose in this product. So, as I mentioned, you have to click on these yellow buttons to pick my bonuses. So, let's check out the bonuses. So, the bonus number one is $200 per day on autopilot. So this is the like info product had been designed by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So this method basically teaches you how you can earn $200 every day, like keeping it on autopilot. Very powerful bonus, guys. So the bonus number two is access Jono's headline hacks. So even like after buying Excel profile profits, you will upload the images, but somewhere you have to like you should have an hack how you can like create your own headlines. Sorry. And this bonus will help you to like it's a tips and tricks of how you can create your headline attractive, like more viewable. Again, very powerful bonus, guys. So the bonus number three is file email marketing tips for higher conversion. Guys, you know that like always in the online world, basically we need to have the traffic to be together. And this like after to pull this traffic, email marketing is like very powerful tool. So this bonus will give you exactly details and like the five top tips how like the email marketing for the higher conversion. Then we have the bonus number four, which is access timeless traffic. So once you will create these images, you will start uploading on your website. You need to have traffic to like you can flow on these images and get maximum traffics to convert into the sales and make money online. So definitely this bonus will give you the timeless traffic that like this is the bonus like where you will create your own traffic. Very powerful bonus again. And this is followed by the bonus number five, which is all vendor bonuses. So let's check out what vendor is also offering. So there is a trick, guys. If you close this window, you're gonna get 25% discount. So bonus number one is direct access to the Excel Profit Master, worth of almost $2,000. Bonus number two is free training on how we made $62,000 in 27 days. Bonus number three is free high tickets training worth $1997. Bonus number four is unfair advantage in business and life custom training. So, and bonus number five is instant approval to promote Excel profits. Make up to $400 in commission per sales. So this is all the bonuses from the vendor. So guys, there are a lot of offerings from the vendor. There are a lot of bonuses from my side. So all these bonuses and like all the custom bonuses, all the vendor bonuses, you're going to get free of charge instantly delivery in your account. So let's check out how you will get these bonuses. So to get my bonuses, you just have to click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through the bonus page. So on my bonus page, click on any of these yellow button. This is step number two. You have to click on these yellow buttons. That will take you to the sales page, which will look like this. So you can go ahead and pick this up. As soon as you will pick this up, you have to click on, you have to log into your Warrior Plus account. You just have to log into your Warrior Plus account, and on the Warrior Plus account in the dashboard, where you have your username, just scroll down and click on purchase history. After clicking on the purchase history, you have to click on profit Excel profits. That will bring you through the receipt page, which will look like this. So on the receipts page, you have to click on access affiliate bonuses. This way you can able to access all your custom bonuses, like the bonuses from me and the bonuses from the vendor. So these are easily accessible. Even you will just pick the front end of Profit Excel. Okay, so let's not waste any more time and check out the sales page. Explode Watch and Max make $33 every day time he uploads an image to secret websites. The more he uploads, the more he makes. No content needed, 100% free, no tech skills, no waiting results. extremely beginners friendly. The max uploads, the more and may he makes. Mm, the the more max uploads and he more he makes. Once uploaded, these images pay him over and over again. Dead simple, no experience required, no further investments. Take just minute, 30 days money back guarantee. So this is what is on the sales page. You can go to the sales page at your own. I'm not going through the sales page with you guys, but let me show you some of the income proofs. So these are the some of the income proofs, like people are making a lot of money using this application. These are some of the testimonials. So you can go through the sales page at your own. Let me give you. So I'm inside the members area of Excel Profits. So this is very nice and clean members area. So on the left hand side we have the navigation system, and on the right hand side all these videos are being played. So in the introduction we have welcome to Excel Profits mindset. We have the mindset training, then proof of method, product ideas. So you can create the product and micro niches. Then the product idea validation. Then we have three simple tool, your product ideas, validation and keyword research. So e ranks like the Google keyword planner. So all these tools basically explained in this module. Then we have my top three products to sell the beginners. My top three products to sell the beginners: apple and coffee mugs, printful, art printables, design creation. Outer your design creation, print on demand. Outsource the design creation, art printable. Create the design yourself. Where to find high quality graphics. Create an printable design on Canva. Mock up art printables. Create t-shirts, coffee mugs. Creating your Etsy account. Your shop name. Your name available. So this is you can create online shop. Then it's SEO. So you can optimize like your website. Share your new listing. So where you well, like after like creating your website, you have to optimize it for Google to like get ranking, and you can share these listings. Build your next income stream. So this way, like this is the new income stream, I guess, which is Mancha, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, free traffic, paid traffic. Then we have upgrades. So we will talk about these ETOs and unannounced bonus. So you are going to get the unannounced bonus also. And these are some of the few of the previous product of Philip. So like there are four, five, six unannounced bonuses also you are going to get. So this is all about the members area. You can access to the advanced trainings also. So this is all about Excel Profit members area. So now let's check out the pricing and the upsell. So the front end of Excel Profits is for dollar 20 $12.95, which is $12.95. Then the upsell number one is Pro version for $37. Upsell number two is done for you package for $97 with the downsell of $47. Upsell number three is unlimited traffic for $97 with the downsell of $67. Upsell number four is traffic mastery for $67 with the downsell of $37. Upsell number five is resale rights for $97 with the downsell of for $97 with the downsell of $47. So I will strongly recommend that you should go for pro version, which is for dollar like upsell number one, which will help you out like after buying the front end. Even you can think of the done for you package also. So this is the pricing. So overall my thought on this, like this is a good app where like you have to upload images to a secret website, and you're going to make money from this method. So this is the simplest method, I think so, where people are also making a lot of money. So I want you guys to go through my bonus page. There are tons of information on the sales page also. Check out all this information at your own. Don't miss out to go through my bonuses also. They are super powerful, and guys, they are instantly delivered to your account. Even you will just pay for the front end of Excel profits, which is $12.95, less than $13. On the top of it, I guess there is you're going to get the 25 discount also for limited period of time. So this is all about from my end. Thank you very much for watching my uh, Excel profits review. I will speak to you soon in the next one. Thank you very much. Goodbye.